What's up mga Solid Paps? Your boy Neil again of Solid Motto. And nagbabalik tayo sa isang helmet review. Alrighty. Shout out pala no, sa mga masugid at loyal nating Solid Pops. Kasi it's been a while na since nakapag-upload tayo ng ating vlog. And ito yung parang first na product review natin kasi wala naman tayong budget to buy many products na i-review. Wala na tayong sponsor. Kinemaster. Anyway, so this is actually my first Spyder helmet, and I'm excited to know if this is a good one or not. But looking at it physically, it is really good. And what I love about it is the iridium lens, because I can use it sa gabi and I can use it at daytime without actually compromising my vision kasi medyo maliwanag lang naman siya. But again, I still recommend to use the clear lens na kasama nito. And that's one of the things that I really considered when buying this kasi meron siyang free na lens. And of course, dual visor na siya, which also makes it very convenient kapag clear yung lens mo during daytime para hindi masyadong masilaw ang inyong beautiful eyes. Now, what I don't actually like about this is the vent on a high speed part kasi there is actually that kind of noise na maririnig mo kapag medyo malakas yung takbo mo, and that kind of wind noise is quite bothering actually kapag nakabukas yung mga vents kasi medyo malaki yung kanyang holes, which is very good if malakas or mabilis ang takbo mo. But if normal scooter driving lang, I don't recommend opening all vents kasi meron nga siyang parang noise na parang nakaka-bother na pakinggan. Well, overall, the price pala ng helmet na to is naka-sale siya. Originally, it's 4,800 sa Spyder Consolation Cebu, and I have bought it sa price na 4,400, which is not bad kasi this is the only stock that they have kasi madaling maubos for that time. And what I enjoy about it, meron siyang spoiler, meron din siyang padding na washable and very convenient to use. And also it has all the necessary safety ratings na makikita natin sa ibang helmet. And this is just quite bulky no sa ating LS2. The reason why I have LS2s before, it's because I love how the shape of their shell is. Medyo may on the smaller side, but yung sa Spyder it medyo may kalakihan nga, medyo mapapalaki yung ulo mo dito. Yeah, not literally, and no pun intended. Alrighty, but yeah, if you're looking for a budget helmet and you're looking for a safe helmet, you can go for Spyder. Alright,
What?
at yun nga mga paps, no? That is the quick review of our new helmet, and I hope I will be able to use it for a long time, and iingatan ko to siya, hindi ko to siya ibabagsak katulad ng nangyari nung helmet kong LS2 na nabagsak siya. And I will take care of this kasi medyo kamahalan, wala tayong budget na pag palit-palit ng helmet every now and then. So, para sa inyong lahat, keep safe mga paps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And always remember, helmet saves life. Ito yung dapat first investment mo sa iyong pagmomotor. Ciao!